Let's explore how exactly Res Ipsa Loquitur is relevant in medical negligence cases. This Latin phrase means the thing speaks for itself. It applies when the circumstances of an incident clearly suggest negligence without needing direct evidence or expert testimony. For example, if a mop is left inside a patient's abdomen after a surgery, or a procedure is mistakenly done on the wrong limb or wrong side, the situation speaks so clearly of negligence that it doesn't need much more explanation. But here's the key question: can a doctor be criminally punished based solely on Res Ipsa Loquitur? To understand this, we turn to 1996 Supreme Court case where a woman underwent sterilization after childbirth. A mop was inadvertently left inside her body. She developed peritonitis, which led to second surgery, yet she could not survive. The first surgeon argued that the second surgery was to blame for her death. However, the court dismissed this claim, stating that had the mop not been left behind, the second operation wouldn't have been needed at all. With no reasonable explanation from the surgeon, the court held that Res Ipsa Loquitur is clearly applied and imposed civil liability for the first surgery. It's important to understand this was not a criminal case. The contention of the patient's party was regarding compensation amount granted by civil court, which the High Court had set aside. Later, in the landmark Jacob Mathew vs. State of Punjab case, the Supreme Court clarified the exact scope of this doctrine. It held that Res Ipsa Loquitur is a rule of evidence, useful in civil cases of negligence, particularly to shift the burden of proof to the doctor. However, when it comes to criminal liability, this principle has limited application. Criminal negligence must be proved beyond reasonable doubt, and Res Ipsa Loquitur alone is not enough to establish guilt. So remember, when things speak for themselves, the rule of Res Ipsa Loquitur is used to shift the burden of proof, but it is not enough to establish guilt. To know more about legal handling of cases, refer to the article given in the description box and post any related query in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel DocNur.